Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. Um, so in this tutorials, okay, I will demonstrate to you on how to use GitHub page. All right. So we can host HTML page in the GitHub page using the GitHub page. All right. So let's say this is the repository. All right. So I assume that you already upload all your file to the repositories. All right. So then after that we want to um, publish. Okay, we want to publish this project in the GitHub page. So how to do that? Navigate to the repositories. All right, navigate to the GitHub repositories, then click on the settings. Okay, then look for page. Okay, on your left hand side we have page. All right, then build and deployment source. Select deploy from branch. Okay, deploy from branch. Then which branch? It is main branch. Okay, then after that root, then click save. Okay. Once you click save, okay, the GitHub page will automatically being deployed by GitHub. So you can go to code, then you can see here we have pending tasks. All right, so you click here. Some checks have not been complete. All right, so this is the process and procedures lah. So we can click on the details. So you can see here. All right, so GitHub is building the page. All right, so you need to wait until this process complete or finish. All right, so let's wait. All right, okay, so we have the build reports and also deploy success. Go to the settings. All right, page again. Then you can see your site is live at your username.github.io/your project's name. Okay, so you can click visit site. Okay, see, there you go. Okay, so this is the site that we have published. Okay, using the GitHub page. All right, so you also can manage it. Okay, something like if let's say you want to disable it, you just click here and unpublish the site. All right, so when you look at the action, we have the track page build and also developments. All right, okay, so we have successful execute the projects to run in the GitHub page. Okay, so I think that's all, guys. Hope you learn some things new. If let's say you have something to share, feel free to drop it in the comments. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.